Hi, this is Tina Ressler at Virginia Family Dentistry, here to talk to you about how common bruxism is. One of the things we noticed, especially during COVID, is how many people were coming in with toothaches and broken teeth. Bruxism probably affects about 85% of the adult population. We see a lot of young children in mixed dentition grinding their teeth, and sometimes they'll grow out of it and sometimes they don't. I see teenagers, college students that are studying long hours at desks, people that study in offices and work in offices on computers and tablets often grind their teeth, and a lot of it has to do with the position of their head and neck, and the more they're leaned forward, that puts more pounds for pressure on your jaw, so you therefore will clench and grind harder. It's very common and fixable.